For many of us, the mere mention of numbers and math problems can trigger a sense of dread and anxiety. The idea of crunching complex calculations or grappling with abstract numerical concepts is enough to send chills down the spines of all but the most ardent math enthusiasts. However, it turns out we humans aren't the only ones who struggle with numerical reasoning, or conversely, excel at it. A remarkable study conducted in 2011 found that our feathered friends, the humble pigeon, possess mathematical abilities on par with our primate cousins, the monkeys. The research, published in the journal Science, set out to assess pigeons' capacity for abstract rule learning about numerical relationships. The experiment involved training pigeons to distinguish between displays containing fewer or greater numbers of items. Remarkably, the pigeons were able to rapidly grasp and apply these abstract numerical rules, performing at a level comparable to monkeys who had undergone similar testing. What was striking was the pigeons' flexibility in being able to learn these abstract numerical rules and apply them to novel situations, explains Dr. Damien Scarf, a psychologist at the University of Otago and lead author of the study. They didn't just memorize specific numerical relationships, but grasped the underlying principles in a way that allowed them to generalize to new numerosities. This finding challenges the long-held assumption that advanced numerical cognition is the exclusive domain of more cognitively sophisticated primates. It suggests that the ability to reason about abstract mathematical concepts may have evolved independently in different branches of the animal kingdom. Pigeons are not typically thought of as mathematical savants, but this study shows they have a remarkable aptitude for numerical reasoning that was previously underestimated, says Scarf. It really speaks to the flexibility and adaptability of avian cognition. So, the next time you find yourself stressing over a complex math problem, take heart. You're in good company. Even our feathered friends struggle with the trials and tribulations of numerical reasoning, though they may have you beat when it comes to the abstract rules of mathematics.